In this video, let's check out the new Ibis Paint X features, and make sure you don't miss the last one. The first update we're going to talk about is the cross mark while hovering. As you can see, when I move my stylus, a cross mark appears. Additionally, when you increase the brush size, the cross mark adjusts accordingly, making it easier to see the brush's actual size before selecting it. However, when moving to the Tools section, the brush size disappears. I think it would have been better if they also included the thickness indicator. To turn this feature off, go to Settings, scroll down, and disable it. Next update, Numeric keypad. Now let's talk about the Numeric keypad. When you click on a digit, you can enter numbers directly instead of using the slider. Not a bad addition, I guess. Time activation for quick eyedropper. Next, we have time activation for the quick eyedropper tool. This feature allows you to set a specific time to activate the quick eyedropper. To enable it, go to Settings, where you'll find the activation time option. For example, I've set it to 0.71 seconds. So when I hold the painting brush for that duration, the quick eyedropper automatically selects the color. I absolutely love this feature. Surrounding fill and surrounding eraser. They've also added two new features: surrounding fill and surrounding eraser. These allow you to make a selection that automatically fills the area. Personally, I'm not too impressed with this update because I feel the regular bucket fill tool already does a similar job. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. And now, the update I've been waiting for. Original brush pattern. Yes, it's finally here. To use this feature, click on the plus icon, scroll down, and select brush pattern. Note, you need to log in first. Just enter your email, set a password, and you're good to go. Once you open the interface, click on the cross icon, and you'll see an option to adjust settings. Change the size to 1024 by 1024. If you're adding an image to create a custom brush, use brush pattern color. For templates, you can choose from different options. I'm selecting airbrush for now, then clicking OK. This is the interface we're gonna get. Let me delete this period. Now, I'll tell you how it works. Whatever you do here becomes a brush pattern. By the way, you can test the pattern here. Let's make a grass brush. I'm adding a PNG grass image like this. Let's test it. It looks bad, but we need to make a few changes to perfect it. Click on the brush, and you'll see these settings. I'm increasing the opacity to full. Next, I'm tweaking a few sliders. This basically increases thickness and opacity. Next, let's adjust the spacing of the pattern. Finally, let's change the position of the pattern to make it look more natural and less repetitive. Now let's test the brush. Look at that. It's much better than the first time we used it. Just like this, you can create your own brushes. How to save the brush? It's simple. Go back to the gallery and you'll see a loading screen. Now your brush has been saved and is ready to use. Click OK and try it out. Your brushes will show up in the custom section. Here are some brushes that I created. One important thing to note: if you select black and paint, you'll get a result like this. If you select white, you'll get a result like this. To get the original color, you must select red. If you want a darker color, move the slider like this. Keep in mind that no other color will give you the exact green grass color you created. I'll show you some brushes I made for fun. By the way, if you want custom brushes, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications because I'll be giving away some new custom brush packs. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in another video. Bye.